Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you what is the difference between Snapchat lenses and Snapchat filters or stickers. So for that, just open your Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and now this is your home page. You are now again got this camera option. Now in camera option you can see just when you take the picture, just scroll right side or left side, and here you can see the color are changing. Now this is the sticker or lenses option in Snapchat. You can see different sticker option. So this is the sticker option that you can apply before taking pictures. Now let's suppose I will take any picture, and now here you can see, let's suppose I will take picture. Now when I take picture, now I will slide from left to right or from right to left. Now you can see its color are changing. Now this is the filter that I am applying now. So this is the difference that lenses or sticker you will apply before picture, before taking picture. And after taking picture, what you are doing now, this is the filter on Snapchat. So this is the basic difference between these two.